Now we're learning about cell phone text messages allegedly sent by that off-duty cop just prior to that drive-by shooting. Hours after a drive-by shooting at this home in Ray Township, deputies arrest someone sworn to uphold the law. In this case, off-duty Detroit cop Clifford Earl Gullion, a 32-year-old from the very same community.
It just sounded like somebody's feelings got hurt and that he took it upon himself that he was going to send a message.
Gullion is facing 4 felony counts and up to 12 years in prison for allegedly shooting up this home on 29 Mile near Romeo Plank this morning. Deputies say he fired off several shots, but thankfully neither of the 2 people inside were hit. The gunshots were allegedly in retaliation for derogatory comments made about the officer's wife, who worked as a caregiver for the homeowner.
Once we were notified, we dispatched an internal affairs team to respond out to the sheriff's office to start our internal investigation.
Detroit Police Chief James Craig not saying much about the incident. The officer remains locked up and still on leave from DPD. The sheriff says deputies quickly zeroed in on their suspect since he also sent threatening text messages and placed calls to his victims prior to the shooting.
The old saying, sticks and stones may break my bones, but names are never going to hurt me. In this situation with him, it's, you know, he didn't like what was said about his wife. And at that point, he snapped, and as an officer, he definitely should know better.
And Chief Craig says don't expect any more statements to be made by him, at least not until the internal affairs investigation is over. Live in Macomb County, Simon Shayket, 7 Action News.